The future of site security is here. Introducing SaferPod S1, the next generation of site security. Equipped with cutting-edge intelligent visual verification, the S1 captures the clearest and highest quality images yet. Our innovative anti-masking sensors instantly detect attempts to mask the detector and raise the alarm. Smart tilt and impact sensors immediately alert if a pod is moved or tampered with. Offering next-generation autonomy, the SaferPod S1 comes equipped with cutting-edge battery and solar technology, providing complete autonomous deployment all year round. High-intensity sounders with flashing strobe provide a forceful 120 decibel alarm siren upon detection of an intruder. A 30-meter 360-degree intruder detection zone is continuously scanned for threats. Equipped with next-generation live spectrum analysis, the SaferPod S1 distinguishes real threats from interference such as wildlife. Armed with innovative signal jamming detection, the SaferPod S1 is ready to detect and alert our 24-hour manned control room to any attempts to jam wireless communication channels. Allowing increased client control, the SaferPod S1 can be managed via an app, allowing the client to arm, disarm and view activity. The first modular solution compliant with manual handling legislation allows for safe, rapid deployment in any environment. Next-generation capability allows up to 200 additional sensors to be equipped, detecting for dangers such as smoke, water and carbon dioxide. The future of site security is here. The SaferPod S1, the next generation of site security.